Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Sebastian from TechCentury and welcome to this improv video. I just received the Amazfit T-Rex Pro, a brand new smartwatch in the mail, and I didn't want to wait any longer to start my coverage of it. So now we'll head on over to my unboxing table to get a closer look at what's included inside of the box, and then we'll get back here for my first impressions.
Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights.
So now we're back, and what shall I say? There isn't much inside of the box except for the watch, the manual, and also the charging cable or charging crate. And the charging crate looks identical to the one that's also included here inside of the box of the Amazfit GDR2. Now, what I really like about the T-Rex Pro, just from the first impression, is how different it is from most other smartwatches out there. And it really reminds me of like these Casio G-Shock watches that I used to love back in the day. And this is also why I really like the T-Rex Pro from my first impressions. I also think that this blue color looks nice and a little bit unique, so it's not as boring as like the black version. One thing that you have to consider though is that the color of the band is also on the case of the watch, so just swapping bands isn't as easy here, or it just wouldn't look as good at least. Now, in general, I have to say I really like the approach from Amazfit or Zap, so that you have basically a watch for every occasion. So for example, the Zap Z is the perfect business smartwatch, as you could also find out in my full review. And then the GDR2 is already a little bit more sporty, but still elegant at the same time. And now we have the really outdoor focused T-Rex Pro, and I think it's just a great combination to have all of these four different kinds of customers. And I think that this is a very, very nice watch so far. Of course, I'm really looking forward to putting this through its paces in the next couple of days and weeks. If you have any specific questions that I can answer either in the comments or also in my full review video that's coming in a couple of weeks, please let me know. One thing that I already noticed is that the menu system here on the T-Rex Pro is slightly different from the other two watches. And on top of that, we also have 4 physical buttons here, which I think is a really nice change. On the GDR2 we only have 2, on the Zap Z we only have 2.5. We have 2 physical buttons and 1 capacitive, but here we have 4 buttons, which I think is just a great start. And of course, on top of this, this watch just doesn't look rugged. It's also rugged because it's tested up to military standards, and also the glass from the smartwatch itself is recessed, so it's better protected than, for example, here on the GDR2. So again, I'm really looking forward to using this watch in the next couple of weeks. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing and first impressions video. If you have any questions, leave them below, and thanks for watching.